Here's your League News Wrap-Up for the week of February 24. I'm Laurie Okawa, League Communications Officer. From Monday's Knowledge Source newsletter, what's new at Credit Union Webinar Network? This class will cover resolutions, signature cards, online banking, debit cards, disclosures, and all the tricky issues for businesses in a complex world. Plus, it will provide an update on beneficial ownership status. This program will feature real-world examples and visual demonstrations to ensure compliance with best practices. Whether you're looking to revamp an existing program or build a new one from scratch, you'll get the insights and tools needed to ensure your onboarding process makes a lasting impact. From on-course learning, this session will cover the regulatory requirements for both domestic and international wires, provide sample audit procedures, and discuss how to identify and react to possible wire fraud attempts. Real-life scenarios will explain hold requirements under these new limits, discover an easy-to-implement monitoring and review process, and dissect the required funds availability policy to be sent. This program provides an overview of the major issues involved in administering and monitoring consumer or residential construction loans, primarily to individuals having a home built or remodeled. Gain confidence and a clear understanding of the regulatory, compliance, documentation, and proper TIN requirements for opening business accounts. This session is not state law specific. TRID is like the gift that keeps on giving. Explore those hotspots, gray areas, and frequently violated provisions. Discover the timing of various disclosures, disclosure of fees, and calculating tolerances and potential reimbursement issues. Discover what your credit union can do to prevent losses, as well as your legal responsibility in various check fraud situations. This session will focus on best practices rather than any particular state law. From Tuesday's Big Idea newsletter, guess who's looking for life insurance? It's Gen Z. But TrueStage says Gen Z will need a little push from your credit union to secure this business. Learn practical strategies to transform CECL outputs into actionable insights that strengthen portfolio management and support strategic initiatives. With Performance Pro, you can introduce technology that promotes continuous coaching and feedback, ensuring alignment between individual goals and the broader strategic plan. Deep, accurate lending insights allow you to lend confidently across the credit spectrum and provide affordable credit to more members regardless of shifting economic climates. Are you heading to the GAC in Washington, D.C.? You're invited to TrueStage Ventures Network Reception. Meet and greet credit union leaders, fintech founders, and industry partners. From Thursday's Conversation newsletter, the DCCA and your league welcome top-scoring high school teams to the annual Hawaii LifeSmart State Competition. Each year, Hawaii credit unions support LifeSmarts with prize giveaways and by volunteering at the event. Congratulations to Iolani students for winning the state competition and representing Hawaii in the Nationals. The Credit Union Trends and Economics Report examines recent credit union financial performance and operational results in the context of recent economic activity. Data and analysis help establish standards that credit unions can compare to their own performance. Items to be discussed at the 2025 Annual Business Meeting, scheduled for May 2nd, must be received at the League office no later than March 3rd. Your correspondence should be addressed to HCUL Board Secretary. That's a wrap on this week's League News. Check your inbox for weekly newsletters. If you missed an issue, go to our website, click on Publications, and review the newsletter and video archives. And remember, si me dice naciste o aniro.